Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to play with friends in Minecraft Launcher. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you can create one. Now, if you're playing on a console like Xbox or Nintendo Switch, make sure you have the online subscription. Now, open Minecraft and click on Sign in with Microsoft account. Follow the instructions to sign in and link your Microsoft account to Minecraft. You can either select an existing world or create a new world in Minecraft. Once you've entered the world, just open In-Game Settings menu. Navigate to the far right of the menu and select Invite to Game. On the next screen, choose the option to find cross-platform friends and select Invite cross-platform friends. Search for your friend's Minecraft ID or gamer tag. Once found, just click on Add Friend to send them a friend request. After adding them, select Send One Invite and wait for your friend to accept the invitation and join the game. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.